medyo it depends daw. Parang this is because this is your challenge na sinasabi na the way how you react on the situations, that is how they will judge you. Some of them will not gonna actually understand on yung gusto mo ipahiwatig kasi medyo nag-overpower ang emotional mo. Let's say na baka na gusto mo ipahiyag tapos naiiyak ka kaagad, no? So parang they will gonna see judge you na napakahina mo, which malabo sa kanila na to convince them, no? So pagandaan mo yan within 3 months. So meron tayong advice later, no, na para magkaroon ka ng guidance, no? But you have your own free will, no? And may nakikita ba tayong challenge dito? Yung hindi mo parang medyo nahihirapan kang makita kung sino yung talagang kakampi mo at sino ang mga nanloloko sa iyo, no? Parang there's a